Greetings, fellow explorers of the extraordinary. Welcome back to SciTech Expedition. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey to unravel the exceptional and rare features of the human body. From remarkable abilities to unique physical traits, prepare to be spellbound. Are you someone with these special features? Let me know in the comment section below. Uncommon eye colors. Our journey begins with a captivating gaze into the world of eye colors. While blue, brown, and green eyes are common, some individuals possess truly rare and enchanting eye colors. Amber eyes radiate with their golden yellow hue, while violet eyes are a mystical rarity often associated with albinism. And then there's a captivating heterochromia, where each eye showcases a different color, creating a truly unique gaze. Heterochromia is a fascinating eye condition where a person's eye has two different colors. It can be present from birth, called congenital heterochromia, or developed later in life, known as acquired heterochromia. Supertasters and bitter sensitivity. Now let's dive into the world of taste. We all know that our taste preferences vary, but did you know that some individuals have superhuman taste buds? Meet the supertasters. Supertasters are like the taste detectives of the culinary world. They have an incredible gift, an abundance of taste buds, especially sensitive to bitterness. In fact, supertasters can have up 4 times more taste buds than the average person, which means they experience flavors in a way most of us can't even imagine. For supertasters, bitterness can be overwhelming. Foods like Brussels sprouts, kale, or dark coffee pack a bitter punch that can be intense for them. But here's the fascinating part. Supertasters are relatively rare, making up about 25% of the population. So the next time you meet someone who can't stand bitter taste, you might be just in the presence of a supertaster. Perfect pitch and absolute hearing. Our next destination takes us in the realm of sound. Perfect pitch or absolute pitch is a rare and remarkable talent that only a small fraction of the individuals possess. It is the remarkable ability to instantly recognize and name musical notes without any reference. Some say it's like having a musical superpower. But here's a curious part. While some individuals are born with a perfect pitch, it can also be developed with practice and training. Musicians and music editors often use ear training exercises like identifying notes and chords to nurture perfect pitch skills. It's like fine-tuning your musical ear. Now let's talk significance. Having pitch perfect is like having a musical GPS. It allows the musicians to instantly recognize and reproduce melodies, making them incredibly accurate and versatile performers. From composing beautiful symphonies to nailing cover songs without sheet music, perfect pitch opens doors to musical creativity and expression. Extraordinary flexibility. Shifting our focus to flexibility, we all have our limits when it comes to stretching and bending. But there are those among us who possess a rare and incredible gift, extreme flexibility. Contortionists defy the laws of anatomy, bending and twisting their bodies in jaw-dropping ways. Their hypermobile joints and flexible muscles allows them to perform feats that seems otherworldly. Tetrachromacy, the supervision. Now let's explore a phenomena that gives a whole new meaning to seeing the world in a different light. Meet the tetrachromats. Tetrachromacy is like having a supercharged palette of vision. While most of us see the world in 3 primary colors, red, green, and blue, tetrachromats perceive an entire spectrum of colors including a 4th dimension. But here's the captivating part. Tetrachromacy occurs only in a select group of people, typically women, due to a unique genetic makeup. In tetrachromats, a mutation in one of their cone cell receptors allows them to pick up extended range of wavelengths. This means they can see and differentiate between the colors that appear identical to the rest of us. Imagine perceiving the subtle gradation in the sunset or spotting the nuances in the painting that others can't. Tetrachromats experience a world of colors beyond our comprehension. Synesthesia, blending senses. Our next extraordinary feature involves a unique blending of the senses. It is known as synesthesia, and it's like a multi-sensory experience you'd never imagine. Synesthesia is like having your senses dance to a unique symphony. It's a rare phenomenon where one sensory experience triggers another, creating a mesmerizing blend of perception. For instance, some synesthetes may see colors while they hear music or experience taste when they touch certain textures. Imagine hearing a melody and seeing a cascade of colors, or tasting a word and feeling its texture on your tongue. It's a truly enchanting crossover of the senses. But here's the fascinating part. Synesthesia manifests uniquely in each individual. Some may associate numbers with specific colors, while others might find emotion as a distinct physical sensation. Superhuman memory. Let's unlock the incredible potential of memory to our next feature, superhuman memory. Some individuals have an exceptional ability to remember vast amount of information with astonishing precision. Superhuman memory is like having a mental treasure chest filled with endless details. It's the remarkable ability to remember vast amount of information with astonishing precision. But how does it work? Well, at its core, superhuman memory relies on extraordinary neural connection and mnemonic techniques. These memory masters can recall numbers, facts, or even the entire books with ease, as if they have an encyclopedia database stored in their brains. Now let's talk significance. Superhuman memory is not just a party trick, it's a cognitive superpower. From excelling in academics and problem solving to mastering languages and preserving cultural heritage, people with superhuman memory has a profound impact on our world. Hyperpolyglots, masters of language. Our next stop introduces us to hyperpolyglots, individuals with an extraordinary talent for learning and speaking multiple languages. Hyperpolyglots are like language wizards, wielding the power of communication in ways most of us can only dream of. But what exactly is a hyperpolyglot? Simply put, there are people who can speak 6 or more languages fluently. The language proficiency is mind-boggling. They can engage in conversations, read literatures, and even navigate cultures with ease, all in multiple languages. Now, let's share some examples of their remarkable abilities. From discussing philosophy in French to cracking jokes in Japanese, hyperpolyglots seemingly switch between languages, showcasing their incredible linguistic powers. Eidetic memory, or the photographic memory. Our penultimate feature highlights eidetic memory, often referred to as the photographic memory. It's a rare ability that some individuals possess, allowing them to recall images and details with incredible precision. Eidetic memory is like having a built-in camera in your mind, capturing moments and details with extraordinary precision. But how does it work? Well, it involves the ability to create vivid mental images of information, making it appear as though it's right in front of you. For example, someone with eidetic memory can look at the page in a book and later see the same page in their mind, including every word, comma, and even the layout. Now let's talk significance. Eidetic memory is more than just a cool party trick. It's a cognitive superpower. From acing exams to mastering languages, recalling intricate details, and excelling in various fields, eidetic memory can open doors to limitless possibilities. Sensory adaptation, extreme adaptability. And now let's conclude our journey with an astonishing feature, sensory adaptation or extreme adaptability. Some individuals possess an extraordinary ability to adapt their senses to extreme conditions. Sensory adaptation is like a superpower of the human body. It's the incredible ability to adjust our senses to thrive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Take deep sea divers for instance. Plunging into the abyss, they undergo sensory adaptation to ensure crushing pressures and chilling temperatures. These underwater explorers rely on specialized suits and training to adapt their senses, making them resilient and efficient deep beneath the waves. And then there are high altitude climbers. Ascending dizzying heights, they adapt to thin air, biting cold, and low oxygen levels. These fearless adventurers acclimatize their bodies, allowing them to conquer towering peaks and experiencing breathtaking vistas. There you have it, an odyssey through 10 rare and extraordinary features of the human body. It's truly awe-inspiring to ponder the diversity of our species and the remarkable abilities and traits that some individuals possess. If you found this video as captivating as I did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your fellow explorers of the extraordinary.